Hey, y'all. It's almost 6 o'clock. It's about 109 degrees out here. I'm about to get these steps on. I'm also kicking it up a notch on the bleachers where I'm going to be doing some leg work or exercises, I shall say, like push-ups, step-ups, squat, walks and, all of that type of stuff. I went on YouTube and just kind of binge watched, some Bleacher exercises and things like that, and just wrote down stuff that I agreed with. So I got my little book right here that I wrote all my little exercises on that I would like to, attempt not to all in one day, but I'll just add more as I come along, different videos. I'm over on the away side of the bleachers. They always smaller, but it has more, it has the steps some more so what I'm going to be doing than the home bleachers. Those are bigger and the steps are spaced apart, like more of like a landing, like this right here between the steps. So this is more of, like regular steps going up on the bleachers where I could do, the exercises that I have written down. So I am going to video record that. Hopefully I can get it in there, and we're going to go from there. I'll be back. Hey. It is actually 12:19 after midnight. I had to take my son back to school, so I'm just getting back home. But I did break my fast about 8:45 with this Kettle and Fire organic chicken broth. I had 2 cups of it because it's really low in calories. 1 cup is 15 calories, 1 gram of fat, no carbs, no sugars, and 1 gram of protein. So I had 2 cups, and this one is a little different. It's 45 calories a cup, no fat, 1 gram of carb, and 10 grams of protein per cup. So because this really was low in calorie, I did 2 cups, and I mixed it with my collagen, 1 scoop of my collagen. This has a good amount of protein in it. I guess 15. It's 60 calories and 14 grams of protein per scoop. It has no taste, so I could put that in smoothies, my coffee, my bone broth. It literally has no flavor to it, and no texture. It blends smooth. You don't even know it's in there, actually. Then I put a little bit of ginger and some cream of tartar and a tablespoon of butter and blend it up in the blender. And that's how I do my bone broth, mixed with some sea salt and a little bit of seasonings. Here I got some steak left over from yesterday. I only ate a small piece of my steak. I think they were T-bones and they were pretty big. I had made me a sweet potato, but I didn't eat it. I just ate the Brussels sprouts and a nice salad. That's what I had. So I had steak, half of a fried lobster. We sat down as a family, so I didn't record what I ate, but we had fried lobster, steak, Brussels sprouts, and a nice salad. So, and my kids had loaded baked potatoes. I didn't eat my potato. It was a sweet potato, so I'll eat part of it tonight. This is 3 ounces. This is 4 ounces of green beans. And this is like, it says 11 and a half when I weighed it, but it didn't look that big. when I cut it up. So I don't know if it's a difference when you cut it up. And then I got 2 ounces of onions in here and season it with some butter and my sea salt and pepper. So that's it. I drank a ton of water today. Got my Bleacher workout in, and I'm gonna eat, gather myself together, and go to bed and start all over tomorrow. So hope everybody had a great holiday weekend. Y'all stay safe, and everybody have a great start to their week, Tuesday. Peace. Hey, y'all. So today is Tuesday. About to get my workout in. I got my bands. I'm gonna do some seated glute abductions, and then I'm gonna do some bicep curls. And what I'm starting to do, because yesterday was just like a test run to see, you know, which of those exercises I like with the bleachers. So I was kind of all over the place, but today I wrote down a workout that I'm gonna do for today. So this is my workout. Hopefully I could get through it that I'm doing for today. And I'm gonna try to record some of it. It's really windy out here, and I don't have anything to set my phone on, so I don't know. I'm gonna do this, but I'll see. I'll give it a try. So let me get started. I'm back. It's 8:26, probably about 8:30 by the time I can get to my smoothie, pray, and do this video. But I have a smoothie here, a protein smoothie. This is my noosh. I have a small banana in here, probably about 3 ounces, about 1/4 of a cup of blueberries, if that much, ice, water, my ICI powder and pomegranate powder, and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, and a tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener, and just blend it up. So this is what I'm breaking my fast with here. And my workout today was pretty good. I'm proud of myself. I got through it. I did everything except for I didn't do 30 each one of the biceps. I did 10 each because I haven't worked my biceps in a long time. Isolated. I did 4 laps around the track actually. But yeah, it was a good workout. I'm proud of myself that I didn't, you know, give up when I wanted to. I did everything on here. that I put down. And so, yeah, it's going to be 8:30. I'm about to break my fast, and then I'll probably eat dinner around 11 or so. You know, sit up for a couple of hours and then get ready for bed. I did take one apple cider vinegar pill. The rest of my supplements I ran out of, but I did get some new ones in, and that'll be a separate video. If you want to see, because my workouts, unless it's a new workout and it's like 10 minutes or less, I will do it in regular mode. But because this was probably over a 30-minute workout, I did it in hyper mode, so you can slow it down on YouTube to where you can kind of see each of the moves that I'm doing, especially from right here and down. In the camera, y'all didn't, unless I was on the bleachers, y'all didn't see me do the push-ups because I did incline push-ups on the rail, holding on to the rail, which was behind the, you know, camera. But the rest of them, if you saw me on the bleachers, I was doing incline push-ups and then the burpees and mountain climbers at the top. So yeah, these right here were a killer. But I feel good, so we'll see how it is by the end of the week. Every day I'll be doing a new workout, so this was today. So I'll be back with dinner. Hello, hello. It's dinner time now. It is 11:50 p.m. Yes, I broke my fast at 8:30. If you watch my video all the way through, I have here 5 ounces of Brussels sprouts, 2 eggs, and a Wagyu grass-fed burger. It is 8 ounces with 1 slice of bacon, some onions, 1 ounce of onions, and some soft cheese. I forgot the name of it. So between my smoothie and my dinner, I've had a little over 1,300 calories. My carbs is at 47 total. I think I have like 18 fibers, so if you want to do net, you know, it'll bring it even lower. My protein is at 79. I wanted it to be higher, but that's why I added the eggs, but oh well, it wasn't. And yeah, so this is my dinner. You know, I'm just trying different things to see what works for me. I think doing like really strict or really low carbs, like 20 or less, I didn't see where it really did anything for me. I think I lost most of my weight doing low carb opposed to strict keto, which is a difference between keto and low carb. Low carb is 50 to 125 grams a day, and keto is 20 grams or less. So again, I saw a lot of my weight loss doing low carb. You know, I tried not to go over 50 once I started doing low carb, you know, and work my way down. So some days I have, you know, maybe like 30, 35, and some days I may have like 40 or 50, you know. As long as I see progress in my body, then I'm fine with that. And it's not bad carbs, you know, that I eat. You know, like this is high in carbs. I think this was like 18.5 grams of carbs. This for 5 ounces of Brussels sprouts. But it's vegetables. So, you know, if I'm just doing a lot of vegetables, I don't have no issues with that. If it's, you know, higher, because I need to eat. And it's green vegetables, and it's a good carb. You know, so that's that. So that is Tuesday night, and tomorrow is Wednesday on to day 3. So we'll be back tomorrow. Peace, be safe, and have a good night.